question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Hey. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry.